AI governance in 30 days? Easy. No code and MVG secrets.
There's something called an MVG framework that we generally use, right? A minimum viable AI governance framework.
Okay.
And we can use spreadsheets and no code platforms. Nowadays, you have a lot of low code, no code. You don't need to know the code.
Yeah.
If, for example, Claude, right, it's giving you entire thing. Anthropic, like it's revolutionizing the entire industry, right? So you don't need to be a techie at heart. You just need to know how to protect yourself best, right? So using existing tools, using a little low code no code platforms also, you could bring in a minimum viable AI governance, and you could do it in as little as 30 days if you have a proper plan in place,
Hmm.
right? So you could put certain things in place. You could make sure that certain documentation, certain frameworks are in place so that you are able to like get out of this, right? And that is how you can handle this situation. Yeah.
Okay. Now, so what you are saying, in other words, is you have to be very readily aware, look at having the threat intel as on yesterday, at least, not at least for next few days. We should be in a position to look at and
Correct.
say this is possible till yesterday. Still, there is a possibility
Correct.
of breach getting in there, and we may
Yeah.
get hit because the threat intel, the hashes that they use also would have changed, and that would keep can be
Definitely.
a challenge for us. But what resilience pillar should be non-negotiable? Identity, segmentation, backup, response, and or recovery testing. Which one?
Okay, all of them, I would say. Because you can't just choose one over the other,
Yeah.
Prem, because each of them has a specific purpose to like achieve, right? To accomplish. So we'll need to like have a very fine balance on what tools, what mechanisms we can put in place. We also need to know how to bridge them together and bring them together to work with each other to accomplish what we want, right? So I think we need to like be able to like create an entire ecosystem of not only internal tools, existing tools, but also external tools, frameworks, and of course the overall strategy which is able to like take us there, right?